Hello world, in today's video we'll be taking a look at the COMICA CVM-WS50 6-channel smartphone lavalier microphone system. It comes with a cool carrying case. Inside of the case we find the instructions manual, warranty card, a wind muff for windy situations, TRRS to TRS 3.5mm cable, the lavalier microphone, the charging USB cable, and we are left with the transmitter, receiver, and the mini tripod. The tripod feels nice and sturdy. Taking a look at the receiver, it has a brushed aluminum finish, although it's only made out of plastic. It includes a cell phone grip that is foldable as well. The transmitter has a belt clip and a female 1/4 inch adapter for mounting it to a half-shell mount. I like the fact and design of the receiver. I mean, a cell phone holder made out of metal, foldable is just cool in my book. On both sides of the receiver, there's also a 1/4 inch female screw adapter for mounting it with any tripod. Setting up the receiver with your cell phone and the tripod, it's very easy and fast setup. The receiver has two buttons in the front, power and channel selection, also a green light that flashes when they are both not connected, and it becomes solid green when they are both paired. On the side we got the output 3.5mm, the USB charging port, the headphone 3.5mm jack for live listening, and a stepless volume controller. On the transmitter we got the mic input along with the reset button and the USB charging port. In the front side we also got the power button and the channel selection button. Both transmitter and receiver have an LCD screen that indicates the battery level, mic audio level, channel selection, and the mode the microphone is recording at. Both transmitter and receiver have a built-in batteries, polymer lithium at 3.7 volts, 1150 milliamps.
Alright guys, this is the audio test and I want to share and be honest with you about something. The first part of the video was shot, well, the audio was shot with this microphone. I went to my recording booth, I set up the little microphone on the stand and I spoke to the microphone directly with the pop filter.
So the whole audio quality of this microphone, it's fantastic, it's super cool. I am doing an audio test and this is right here, it's how the script of the first half of this video was recorded. It was recorded using the pop filter and I'm telling you something, that the audio quality sounds way better than if it was buttoned up in your shirt. Yeah, so with that said, let's go back into the video.
And if you listen to the audio right now, it's going to sound a little bit different in comparison to the first part of the video. But this microphone system was designed to be wear like this. So this is the audio that you get right now. Alright, let's talk about the pros and the cons.
Okay, this is an audio test with the built-in microphone of my iPhone 7. We're doing a test comparison whether this improves your audio quality or whether it doesn't. You can probably hear that the phone is, let's say, 7 feet away from me, because man, the iPhone's really zoom in the picture of the video. But anyway, so this is the audio quality that you listen to when you do your live broadcast and your whatever you do with your phone. So let's go back to listen to the audio with this here.
Well, it was designed for smartphones to begin with, so that's pretty cool. I like the fact that the receiver has the clamps for the cell phone. That's pretty damn cool if you ask me. Another one, the carrying case. Pretty cool, pretty handy. You know, your stuff, your gear is not gonna be getting thrown away and get damaged because it's nice and protected. Audio quality wise, I think that it sounds great. Now, if you change this microphone and test another microphone with different lavalier microphones, you might get a different type of sound, because it all has to do with the little capsule of the microphone. The higher the quality, the better the audio. I found a con. Well, it's not really a con. This wasn't made or designed for DSLR cameras. but I tried to use it with my Nikon DSLR camera, and well, I didn't have success. Now some reviewers out there on YouTube have done the camera test, and they rather choose this with their DSLR. Now in my case, I can't use it right now. I'm recording it straight from my iPhone 7. Why doesn't it work? I don't know. The audio that I get into the DSLR, well, you know what, I'll just give you an example of it. So this is the audio quality that I am getting into my DSLR. The volume, the built-in volume of the DSLR, I have it at 2% or number 2. From it ranges from 0 to 12. So right now it's a number 2. So the preamps of the DSLR are not boosting up that crazy nasty sound, the hiss or the noise. The volume of the COMICA receiver, it's about let's say 3/4. So I'm getting a good signal, but like I said, it has this crazy interference sound. Now I move the camera all around the house, all over the place, and I still get the same interference. But with the cell phone, which it was designed for, there's no problem in that. But in my opinion, unlike other reviewers, in my opinion, I cannot use this for my DSLR camera system. Another thing that I really like, and I might use my DSLR with this tripod, it's the tripod right here. With this little kit right here, guys, you are ready to go for podcastings, for broadcast, blogs, whatever you want to do. You're all set. I mean, you're good to go with this kit right here. Alright guys, this was your host, Sergio with the Correct Lock. If you're interested, if you're thinking about it, if you're like, should I buy it, should I not? COMICA is building up a name, I'm telling you. COMICA releases crazy high quality products. Bottom line, that's it.